Controlite's many advantages are well known. It's relaxing, efficient, and improves the quality of life. Using modern technology to optimize the amount of natural daylight enables proper utilization of daylight's advantages, as well as a dramatic decline in energy costs. Since 1981, Danpal is proud to be one of the world's leading companies in harnessing the natural light for the benefit of all building users. We call it light architecture. Several well-known architectural creations include roofs or walls built from panels made by Danpal. As the market-leading innovator, we continue to develop superior technology for the architectural profession. We would like to introduce one of the advanced products on the market, Controlite. Controlite is a complete one-stop shop, a composite system that requires no further additions. The system is made up of polycarbonate panels that contain a unique, patented internal louver system. Using a sophisticated control system, users can easily control how much daylight and heat enters their internal environment. The system has 2 layers, thus providing superior insulation and light diffusion, preventing glare and protecting mechanical components from the elements. Controlite has 2 sensors, an external sensor that locates the sun's position and an internal sensor that monitors light levels inside the building. The louvers can adjust automatically to suit a desired light level, or the users can rotate the louvers themselves. Unlike most products, the Controlite system optimizes itself according to changing conditions. On hot summer days, it closes to prevent heat and glare entering the buildings. On overcast winter days, it constantly searches for the ideal louver position to maximize passive solar heat gains and natural daylight levels. This complete control over light and heat gain, along with its 100% recyclability, makes Controlite an energy-saving, eco-friendly product for the future. It can span large distances and withstand high loads, making structural design much easier. Danpal has a global presence with over 40 branches around the world. Our partners are household names in their countries and have led the daylighting industry for many years. Their knowledgeable market experts can assist you every step of the way. Controlite lets your imagination run free, offering energy-efficient, visually spectacular, and user-friendly buildings, so you can share with us the desire for light-filled architecture.